YouTube channel English Language Guruji. Today I'm so excited because it was my dream to own a MacBook, and today I'm going to unbox the MacBook Air, brand new MacBook Air 2020. I got this brand new MacBook Air 2020 from Amazon and I'm going to unbox it. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. This is the box. So Amazon has a good packaging, and here you can see that something is written here. So let me open this box also. Yes. I'm so excited for it. Wow. This is the box. You can see MacBook Air. Beautiful box. And here is something written over here. This is the base version of MacBook Air, which comes with the 10th generation Intel Core i3 processor with 256 GB SSD. In India, it is available in silver, space gray, and gold color, and I got this silver color model. You can see all these things are there. 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of best SSD. It has the Intel Iris Plus graphics, and I got silver color. This is the latest MacBook Air. Features a stunning 13.3-inch Retina display with True Tone technology. It also features backlit Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. You can see that full-size backlit Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. Talking about the display, it is a 13-inch LED backlit Retina display with IPS technology. The resolution of the display is 227 pixels per inch, and it supports for millions of colors, and it has a 16.10 point aspect ratio. So as I have already told you that it has 1.1 GHz dual-core Intel Core i3 10th generation. You can also buy it with the 10th generation i5 and 10th generation i7 processor. This laptop has Intel Iris Plus graphics, and it supports for Thunderbolt 3 enabled external graphics processor, that is the eGPUs. So now I'm going to unbox it first, and then I will show you the So now I'm dropping it. the Thunderbolt 3 C10, and this is the look of the laptop. So first we are going to see what else we get in the box. So this is the USB type C to USB type C cable for the charging purpose, and here we get some information, the documents about the Air, and this is some documents, warranty card, and these things, and this is the lovely stickers from the Apple, and this is the power brick, and USB type power adapter. So let me put it aside and show you the laptop. So this is the laptop. I just want to take it out from this. Wow, it is a very beautiful color, silver color. You can see the Apple logo here. You can see that how the design is very beautiful, the nice design, and it looks very premium on the back side of this laptop. Now I'm going to start the setup of this laptop, and you can see that within the one hand I am just opening this. I have set up my MacBook Air, and now I am just taking the dark mode. So finally my MacBook Air has finished its setup, and you can see how it looks. It has a stunning display. So thank you guys. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get such kind of videos, and also like and share to your friends. Thank you for watching.